In order to stream on Twitch on your PlayStation 5, go to the top menu and select on the settings icon right over here. Then please go ahead and select on users and account. Then go to left menu and you want to scroll down until you see this option that says link services. Then in this list, you should be able to see Twitch. Please go ahead and select on it. Then you want to press on link. Keep in mind, in order for this to work, your Twitch account needs to have two-factor authentication. So I'm going to briefly log into my Twitch account really quickly. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so you will need to go ahead and pull out your phone, scan the QR code, and then it is going to make you enter in that code. And it should be a relatively easy process. But once you went ahead and linked your Twitch account, go ahead and press on done. And then as you're able to tell, it is now linked. From here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and load into the game that you want to stream. So for simplicity purposes, let's go ahead and load into Minecraft. Okay, once you're here on the game that you would like to stream, please go to your controller and you want to go to the top left and you want to press on the broadcast button. So it is going to have like 3 bars over here. Remember, it is towards the top left. You want to select on it just like so. And then afterwards, it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. And then from here, you want to select on this option that says broadcast. Then, now that we linked our Twitch account, we can go ahead and select on Twitch, for example. Then we can go ahead and enter a broadcast title. So go ahead and enter a title that best suits you. So for this video, I'm just going to keep it simple. But obviously, you want to go ahead and actually put a title that represents your stream. And anyways, then you just want to select on go live just like so. And now it is going to begin your broadcast. So there you go. We are now live on our Twitch account. So from here, we can go ahead and live stream and stuff like that. And also, don't forget about this section that says capture options over here. You guys can go ahead and include stuff like your mic's audio, party audio, etc., file type, your recording resolution. Here is basically where you would go ahead and adjust those settings. But anyways, after you finish broadcasting, go ahead and select on broadcast, and you could either pause the broadcast or stop it. You could also unmute yourself over here. So for this video, I'm just going to select on stop broadcast. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on yes, just like so, and then we're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.